Now let's talk about the golden batch. Using this function, you can quickly identify the best performing batch of your line, gain insights for process optimization, and establish a common understanding of the potential of your line. So let's jump into the system. To navigate to the golden batch, you just need to come over here and click on the Insights tab, and that will bring you directly to the golden batch page. First, you need to select what line you are searching on. So let's say we want to look for the golden batch of bottling line 1, and we have to select what product we want to search for. So let's say we want to find our golden batch on this line for Factbird Pilsner. The system will immediately start searching back through the history of your batches and identify the best batch from a certain period. Now, how you select that period is by coming to this cog up the top right of the screen. So you can see that we're searching for a golden batch right now in the past 2 months. However, you can do anything up to 12 months rolling, so that is 12 months in the past from the day that you're selecting. So let's look at what the golden batch here was. We are going to get a summary of that batch. We're going to see OEE1 for that batch, the product that was running, of course, the produced versus planned, the completion, so we had 100.53% completion of the planned amount, the duration the batch ran for, the start to end, the shift that was associated, and the day of the week. Here we can see a mimic of the batch dashboard, where you can see the performance over time, where you can see they actually started slightly behind target, went ahead of target, and then throughout the day fluctuated, but mostly were ahead of target. And you can see here the different amount of units that were produced by different timestamps through that batch run. You're going to get some key KPIs here in terms of how much downtime you had, your mean time between failures, and your cycle time per piece. And you'll also get a timeline of the day here, where you'll see the flow of production and the various stops that happened throughout the day during that batch.